Hello and welcome. Orchids are beautiful and delicate plants that require specific care to thrive. Now, we will be discussing the beauty and some of popularity of orchid flower. Orchids are renowned for their stunning beauty and are considered one of the most courted and admired flowers in the world. But their intricate, delicate blooms and an endless variety of colors and shapes. Orchids have a unique allure that capture the hearts of flower enthusiasts worldwide. The beauty of orchid flowers lies in their unique and complex structure, including the lip, culm, and petals, which create a mesmerizing visual display. Orchids are one of the most popular and widely cultivated flowers in the world, with an estimated 25,000 different species and over 100,000 hybrid varieties. These exotic flowers are native in many parts of the world, including tropical and subtropical regions of Asia, South America, and Africa. One of the reasons for the orchid popularity is their unique and intricate beauty. Orchid flowers come in an almost endless variety of colors, shapes, and sizes, with many featuring intricate pattern and markings. The flowers can range from small and delicate to large and showy, making them ideal for a wide range of floral arrangements and garden displays. Now we will be covering everything you need to know to keep your orchids healthy and blooming, including reporting. First, let's talk about how to report orchids. When reporting your orchid, it's important to choose a pot that allows for good air circulation around the roots. Carefully remove the orchid from its old pot and gently loosen the roots. Trim away any dead or rotten roots and then plant it in a new pot with fresh orchid potting mix. Watering is a crucial part of orchid care. Overwatering can lead to root rot and can be fatal for your plant. Make sure to water your orchid only when the potting mix and dry to the touch. You can check this by sticking your finger about an inch into the mix. Fertilizing is also important for orchid health. A balanced orchid fertilizer should be used only once a month during the growing season. Be sure to follow the package instructions carefully. Finally, let's talk about humidity. Orchids prefer a humid environment but not too much. A good way to achieve this is by placing your orchid near a humidifier. You can also place a tray of water with pebbles underneath the pot to increase humidity levels. And there you have it. With these simple tips, you can keep your orchids healthy and blooming for years to come. Remember to report your orchids every few years to ensure they have room to grow. Thanks for watching our video on how to take care on orchids, including repotting. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more plant care tips and tricks.